Hello class second students. So today we will do our chapter number 7 of English grammar, and the name of the chapter is adjectives. Okay, so the first question arises in our mind that what are adjectives? Adjectives होते क्या हैं? So adjectives are basically your describing words. Adjectives क्या होते हैं? आपके describing words. Okay, describing words means जो आपको किसी चीज़ के बारे में बता रहे होते हैं, कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहे होते हैं. ओके, so that are called describing words. Now next is I will give you a full definition of adjectives, that is words that describe the quality of a person, place, animal or thing are called adjectives. So basically those words that describe the quality of a noun. Okay, so the person, place, animal or thing, all these come under your nouns. ये सारी चीज़ें आपकी किसके अंडर आती है? नाउन्स के अंदर. Nouns are your name of a person, place, animal, things. Okay, that you have already read in your previous chapters. So all these words, all the words that describe the quality of a noun, किसी भी noun की quality जो describe करते हैं words, that are your adjectives. वो आपके क्या होते हैं? Adjectives. Okay, for example, see, name of person, place, animal, thing. Okay, so all these are your nouns. Okay, so इन सब चीज़ों की जो quality आपको describe करते हैं words, that are your adjectives. Okay, now coming to the next example, see, I will show you with an example. Okay, tall man, tall man. Okay, so tall is your adjective and man is your noun, that is a name of a person. Okay, so tall आपका adjective क्यों हुआ? Because it is telling you about, it is describing about a man. ये man के बारे में आपको description दे रहा है कि man कैसा है? Man is tall. Okay, so it is adjective. Now next is brown dog. Next is brown dog. So brown is your adjective and again dog is your noun. Noun, name of an animal. Okay, so dog is a name of an animal, that is your noun, and brown is showing the color of a dog कि dog का color कैसा है? brown है. Okay, so it is describing dog, it is describing noun, so it will be adjective. Okay, so brown is adjective here. Next is small bridge. Next is small bridge. So small is again your adjective because it is describing your bridge. ये bridge के description दे रहा है ना कि bridge कैसा है? small है. Okay, so bridge is your noun and it is a place. Okay, next is big house. Big house. Okay, so again big will be your adjective because it is describing house. वो house के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि house कैसा है? house is big. Okay, now next is words for numbers are also called adjectives. So only, not only the quality is coming is come under your adjective, numbers also come under your adjective. numbers भी आपके adjective के अंदर आते हैं. For example, see, there are two benches. There are two benches. यहाँ पे दो benches है ना, one is there and one is here. Okay, so there are two benches. So it is telling you about how many benches are there. There are two benches. So again two is your adjective and benches will be your noun. Noun, and it is a name of a thing. Okay, so it is a noun and two is your adjective. Now coming to the next thing, that is adjectives are words that describe quality, color, size, shape and number. Okay, so adjectives वो words होते हैं जो आपकी क्या क्या describe करते हैं? quality, color, size, shape, number. Okay, so these 5 things are describe your words. Okay, like किसी भी चीज़ की quality बताना, color, size, shape, number. Okay, so ये सारे डिस्क्रिप्शन कौन देता है? एडजेक्टिव्स. ओके, एडजेक्टिव्स ऑल्सो डिस्क्राइब्स हाउ समवन और समथिंग looks, how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells and sounds. Okay, so adjectives also describe कि कोई भी चीज़ या कुछ भी कैसे दिखते हैं. how they look, how they taste, कैसे टेस्ट करते हैं, how they feel, वो कैसा फील करते हैं, and how they smell, कैसे स्मेल करते हैं, and how they sound. Okay, so adjective describe the look, taste, feel, smell and sound of something. Okay, something or someone. Now take one example. See, there's a cute dog. There is a cute dog. Okay, so cute describe the look of a dog. So here you can see that cute is a adjective. Okay, cute is an adjective because it is describing the looks of a dog. ये dog के looks के बारे में बता रहा है कि dog कैसा दिखता है. dog cute दिखता है. Okay, so it is describing the looks of a dog. looks मतलब वो चीज़ कैसे दिखती है. Okay, so cute dog, here cute will be adjective. Now next is sweet fruit. Next is sweet fruit. Okay, so fruit कैसा है? fruit is sweet. Okay, so again sweet will be adjective because it is describing the taste of a fruit. वो fruit के taste के बारे में बता रहे हैं ना आपको कि fruit कैसा taste कर रहा है. fruit is sweet. Now next example is cold water. So here cold will be adjective because it is describing the feel of the water कि जब हम वाटर को फील करते, टच करते, तो इट इज़ कोल्ड, वो कोल्ड है. ओके, सो कोल्ड विल बी योर एडजेक्टिव. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज प्लेजेंट फ्लावर्स. प्लेजेंट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग द स्मेल ऑफ द फ्लावर्स. ये फ्लावर्स के स्मेल के बारे में बता रहा है कि फ्लावर्स से कैसी स्मेल आ रही है. प्लेजेंट, अच्छी स्मेल आ रही है. ओके, सो प्लेजेंट विल बी एडजेक्टिव हेयर. नेक्स्ट इज noisy classrooms. So here noisy will be adjective because it is describing the sound of the classroom, that the classroom is very noisy. classroom कैसा है? noisy है. okay, वहाँ से sound आ रही है. so it is will be noisy will be your adjective. Now next is we use adjectives to compare two things. Okay, so we also use adjectives when we compare two things. जब आप किसी दो चीज़ के बीच में comparison करते हो, comparison मतलब तुलना करते हो, so if we use adjective here. Okay, so जब आप compare कर लो किसी चीज़ के, दो चीज़ों के बीच में, so you will use er. You will use er form of the adjective and the word then to compare. Okay, तो पहली चीज़ है आपको ध्यान रखनी कि आपको er यूज़ करना है, er form of the adjective, and you have to use the word then also to compare. Okay, so let's see one example so that it will be clear to you. Okay, so the example is Sahil is taller than her sister Maya. Okay, so you can see Sahil and Maya. Okay, so Sahil is taller than Maya. Sahil माया से taller है. okay, लंबा है. so you can see we have add er form of the adjective and we have also add then. हमने यहाँ पे er form of adjective भी use करा है and we have also used then. okay, for example you can also take one example, that is I am stronger than you. मतलब मैं आपसे ज़्यादा stronger हूँ. okay, so stronger is er form of the adjective and then is already we put in the sentence. okay, तो आपको er form of the adjective use करना है and you also have to use then. okay, when we compare between two things. Thank you students.